Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new Toyota Pneumatic forklift, model number 8FGU18, ID number E011793. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you're interested, give us a call right away. It has a base capacity of 3,500 pounds, and it runs on LP. You'll see here that it has three-way hydraulics with that automatic tilt level button that Toyota is known for. And you can see there that it has a great LCD panel on the dash. While we're on this side, I'll show you that it has this handy paper clip as well as a cup holder and a forward-facing blue light. Now coming up here to the mast, this is a three-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 189 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. Now this forklift will come with your choice of 42 or 48-inch standard tapered forks. Now looking at the tires, these are black traction solid pneumatic tires. And coming up here to the front, we have these ultra bright LED forward-facing headlights. Now coming inside of the cabin, we have some other great safety features, including these dual rear view mirrors. We also have an adjustable steering column, as well as this fully adjustable full suspension seat that adjusts here with your suspension, as well as forwards and backwards, and with your tilt. And back there on that back pillar, we have that rear pillar handle with a horn that keeps the horn at your operator's thumb at all times, even when they're backing up. And coming back here to the back, we have lots of lights. The most obvious here is this yellow strobe light. We also have a reverse activated blue safety spotlight that you'll adjust for yourself. You can see that. And you can hear that backup alarm. And you'll see that we have those combination lights with your brakes and of course your reverse light as well as your turn signals. Now as I mentioned, this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions or you'd like to demo this truck, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.